community reacted. They knew what was going down, so they had a march in the community, and they made banners, and in their hearts, Boogie still lived. They knew that unity was possible. So they marched through the community and broker and acknowledged what Boogie had tried to do. But they always felt that he lived. 3 years later, Roland Espinosa, a businessman and activist from Pilsen, a longtime resident of Pilsen, felt that the only way that we could remember Boogie and what he was trying to do was to put a mural up. He came out of his pocket, bought the paint, he contacted Aurelio Diaz and Salvador Vega, 2 muralists, to come out here and paint Boogie's mural up on the wall. This was in 1978. Roland Espinosa is responsible for putting this mural up, along with Salvador Vega and Aurelio Diaz. And it just so happened that this mural lasted all of this time, and just last Wednesday is when it came down so that we can restore it. And because of the efforts of the Gonzalez family, Annabelle, and our ad hoc committee, the restoration of the mural, and the Alderman's office from the 25th Ward, and also Tanya Cabrera, I want to thank her very much because she provided a generous donation to make this mural be restored. All of the members of our ad hoc committee who worked hard to contact Mr. Doug Danby to give us the permission and the authority to do this mural. And I also want to thank Teresa Ma, who has been a supporter of us from the 2nd District State Representative's Office, Ruben Bautista, Diego Morales, and all of the people that helped.
Rafael Serrano.
I also want to put out a special thank you to Rafael Santoyo, who did the primer on this wall. He donated his services and he did an excellent job, which is going to allow us to go forward with this project. In the next couple of weeks, you're going to be putting paint on this wall. But I think the most important thing is we don't want to ever forget what happened back in 1973 when David Boogie Gonzalez lost his life. Because he wanted peace, he wanted unity, and he had it in his heart, and he knew that it was very possible. But that doesn't mean we have to stop today. Today we have to continue on and say Boogie does live, and Boogie lives in our hearts and in our minds. And if we need to organize, because the violence in this community and all the communities in Chicago have been extremely out of hand. And if we don't do something about it, we cannot be constantly dividing each other. Our communities are divided. The people are divided against the police, and some are for the police, and social justice. We need those things. We definitely need those things. We need to address those things. But it's not going to happen if we're all divided. The only way it's going to happen is if we're united. At the end of July or the beginning of August, we are going to have a dedication ceremony right here in front of this mural. Hopefully it'll be finished by then. Once Salvador Vega starts, it'll take him about a month or a month and a half to finish, and we'll be able to have a dedication ceremony here. And we're hoping to have invited guests and make a celebration out of this particular mural, and hopefully it's going to last another 50 years. I want to thank everybody that came here today. and I hope that you will follow the progress. We will be posting on Facebook the progress of this, of the work that's going to go on this mural, so that everybody knows what's going on as it's happening. Okay, once again, I want to thank Refugio Gonzalez.
Then do the poem.
Oh, okay.
Say it.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce to you Mr. Refugio Gonzalez, who wrote a poem about David Boogie Gonzalez.
My name is Refugio Gonzalez, but my friends and enemies call me Reggie. I wrote a poem about Boogie. Here it goes.
So I hold it?
Press it.
I don't hold it. I pressed it. Go ahead.
I'm Boogie. No, not the Boogie Man. A former gangster, almighty red pants. Alpha Pole was infamous. A legacy of capitalistic greed. Chicagoans continued to fill the need. Pilsen, a barrio on the Lower West Side. The late 50s began the mestizo slide. Taverns on every block kept them inside. Clubs ruled the streets. Young blood seeking to fill the plan's feet. Flashing their colors and protecting their imaginary street. 18th Street, as the young bloods proclaimed, Pilsen will never be the same. The Mexicanos came and planted their sting. Politics, a game of thrones. The Irish, Italians gave no bones. The 25th Ward with the Democratic patrons. The roaring 60s fed the minds. Activists awakened their hungry lives. Boogie's body begins to come alive. A call for young bloods to unite. Boogie begins to plight. Clubs have to stop the fights. Chicano power! Raza sí! Viva la causa! Boogie's transformation came from la causa. Uniting the various clubs was his marcha. Speaking to the young bloods about peace and unity. 1973, June 19th, Boogie worked the night. Boogie's plight ended